The BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 string trimmer edger and lawn mower is a versatile and efficient lawn care solution that stands out for its 3-in-1 design. With a simple foot pedal, it seamlessly transforms from an electric mower to a string trimmer and edger, offering flexibility for various yard maintenance tasks. Powered by a robust 6.5 amp motor, it provides ample power to tackle grass, weeds, and thicker overgrowth with ease, thanks to its gear drive transmission. The AFS Automatic Feed Spool ensures continuous trimmer line feeding without the need for manual adjustments, allowing for uninterrupted trimming. The adjustable mower deck and trimmer handle cater to customizable grass cutting heights and user comfort. The corded design ensures unlimited runtime for extensive jobs. The inclusion of essential accessories such as the detachable mower deck, spool, auxiliary handle, and guard enhances its overall value. However, potential buyers should note that a power cord is required but not included. Overall, the BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 string trimmer edger and lawn mower proves to be a reliable and versatile choice for homeowners seeking an all-in-one lawn care tool.